We have Speedmaker draws for your lead, moving up Moment in Time, then by the rail Bersua. The Surgeon comes next, racing in fifth, Tarlac by the rail Lucky Lorque, and moving up is Kalo Okanjoy. Past the last 800, Moment in Time in command by Alec. Running in second is Speedmaker Bersua. Closing in third, then followed by entry number 6, Kalo Okanjoy, rather that's the Surgeon, number 5, as they race towards the last 450. Moment in Time, Bersua. Now moving up on the outside as the action swing to the last 450. Moment in Time, just in front, Bersua. Moving up on the outside and now grabbing the lead with 150 to go. Bersua on the outside. Moment in Time drops back in second with 75 meters of this race. Bersua by 3 and finally Bersua. Moment in Time. Lucky Lorque close between Tarlac and Speedmaker, Kalo Okanjoy and the Surgeon.